Here's my step-by-step strategy on how to start the Shopify dropshipping model if you have less than $100 as an initial investment. I get it. You hear a ton about people saying they spend all their money on Facebook ads and they have no money to run their business and then they just end up quitting. But I have a new approach that I've taken to the startup method of this model that I'm super excited to share with you guys. What is good? My name is Andy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to start dropshipping in 2022 with the lowest realistic amount of capital as possible. The basis of where you'd even start this business is to decide which product you want to sell. I'm aware that most people use services to find these products, but those services tend to burn through your wallet. So I'm going to show you a technique that costs you a whopping $0. All right, so step one of this strategy is to pick up your handy iPhone, and we are going to go to the TikTok app. Once you're in the TikTok app, go to search bar and we're gonna hit TikTok made me buy it. Now once this loads, we're gonna go and search for various products that we can potentially sell, right? And we're looking for pages, we're looking for various products that are dropshipping products. So here, if we see this is probably a dropshipping product, has 3.4 million likes. We're gonna go hit their page. So what I would do here is I would go to the link and I'm gonna go and see whether or not they are selling this on their online store. So let's see, pet brush 30% off, and then sure enough we are directed to their landing page, $19.99. So clearly if these guys have a link in their bio and they have how many followers, 1.2 million followers, 40.7 million likes, they're definitely generating traffic, meaning that if they even had 0.05% of these people to convert, they're making a lot of money. So we're kind of just looking for various products, we're looking for various pages that run these organic type of UGC content ads. So here's another one, blended bottle, 512,000 likes. Let's look at the comments. I want the cup. How much does it cost? So there's definitely interest here. So there's people that want to buy this product. And like I said, if even 0.05% of these people converts, they're making some money. So we're gonna go to the blended bottle page, 157,000 followers, and then it says free worldwide shipping, tap the shop. You're gonna go to the landing page, and sure enough, they're selling it for $48.99. If you're going to AliExpress, the product itself is definitely going to be available. So here's just a little trick that I use. TikTok made me buy it. This strategy I've actually used to find products that make me $100,000 every month. And as far as the cost of the product, remember that with the dropshipping method, you don't actually have to pre-purchase any inventory because you don't purchase the product until the person actually completes that order. So product cost for the initial investment is $0. So now that you found your product, now we need a place where someone can buy your product. So Shopify monthly fee is $29. Even though there's a 14-day free trial, we're gonna count that $29 per month. Next, you're gonna need your .com, aka your domain. So we're gonna head over to GoDaddy.com, and it's not gonna cost you more than $15. Don't get upsold on their privacy. There's another trick that I highly suggest. Go to Google, type in GoDaddy discounts, 99-cent domain, and then go and find a discount code. Now you're either gonna be able to put in a $5 off, or you're gonna be able to put a 99-cent domain discount code. So whichever one works, use it. You're gonna save some money there. But the bottom line, you're not gonna spend more than $15 on that domain. And then as far as your websites and your apps, I think personally to start, you don't need any apps that will cost money. There will be a free 30-day trial. So that first month, it's gonna be $0 as well. And then as far as the themes, you can run with Debutify or Debut, which are both free themes. And for your logo to place onto your website and your Facebook page, I suggest going to a website called Fiverr, which is essentially an outsourcing service. You're gonna get someone that specializes in making logos to do that for you for a low cost. So simply go to fiverr.com, go to the search bar and type in Shopify logo. And there's so many listings to choose from. Generally what I do is sort by top rated and most reviews and just pick whatever has the best reviews and highest stars. And now for your logo, I do not suggest spending more than $20. You can even get a $5, $10 domain, and you can even negotiate with these guys and say, hey, if you're charging $20, $50, can we go down to $10, $15? And most of the time they will accept or send you a custom offer. So now that we got the product, the domain, the website, the logo, now we have to drive traffic. We have to get people onto our website. We got to get people to convert, because if we don't have any traffic, we're not going to make any money. And as you can probably imagine, with advertising comes the cost of running these advertisements. But with this organic method through Instagram Reels and TikTok, we won't need to spend any money to advertise our product. So this basic strategy I have my team follow for posting organic content for our products is the following. And this all just depends on how eager you are to start and whether or not you're willing to spend a little bit more money to start earlier. Next, you're gonna need your iPhone, because your iPhone is gonna be used to film UGC content, and you're gonna be making TikToks identical to the ones that went previously viral. Next, you're gonna need to post at least once a day, one very good TikTok a day. If you can, 2 a day. If you can, 3 a day. But don't go more than 3. I highly suggest 1 to 3, but make sure the quality's there. Remember, quality over quantity. Now let's say hypothetically you get a viral video. Do not forget, once you hit 1K followers, to add your link to your store in your bio, because if you don't have that, then there's just gonna be more friction and less sales for you. So to conclude, we managed to spend less than $100 to start our Shopify dropshipping business with the potential to make a lot of money if you get a viral video. Key tip, I highly suggest to have your Facebook pixel and your TikTok pixel and your Google Analytics set in place, so that let's say you do get that viral video, all that data is then tracked, so then you can go and run Facebook ads and know that you have all that data that's been collected, so that your cost per purchase is a lot lower and Facebook essentially knows who it needs to target when you run your ads. Anyway, that was pretty much my strategy on how to start the Shopify dropshipping method in 2022 with less than $100. So if you enjoyed this video, if you liked it, please do press that thumbs up button, subscribe, because I'm gonna be posting more videos just like this, and comment below any suggestions you guys have. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.